Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas day 3, and in today's video I'll be doing a clean with me. So right here I'm just washing some things from my salon. I'm washing some towels and a loin. So yeah guys, I I got this idea from my fellow Cameroonian YouTubers, and I didn't really plan on filming or doing vlogmas this year, and I was so hyped by other YouTubers who spoke about it so much. I just decided to join in on the trend. So I was just hoping maybe I'll try like 15 days, or why not 25. I'm just trying to see, because it's not easy to create content, and not to talk of uploading content every single day. So yeah guys, let me know what you would like to see, because I've never done vlogmas before. So this is my first time and I really don't know how it usually goes. So I hope you guys will help me in the comment section. Tell me what you would like to see, okay, and I'll film it for you guys.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. The bells on bobtail ring, they make our spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank, and we got upset. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Now the ground is white, so go it while you're young. Take the girls tonight and sing the sleighing song. Just get a bobtail nag, 240 for his speed. Then hitch him to an open sleigh and crack, you'll take the lead. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all
tree before my spirit falls again. Fill up the stocking. I may be rushing things, but deck the halls again now. For we need a little Christmas right this very minute. Candles in the window, carols at the spinet. Yes, we need a little Christmas right this very minute. It hasn't snowed a single flurry, but Santa dear, we're in a hurry. So climb down the chimney, put up the brightest string of lights I've ever seen. Slice up the fruit cake. It's time we hung some tinsel on that evergreen bough. For I've grown a little leaner, grown a little colder, grown a little sadder, grown a little older, and I need a little angel sitting on my shoulder. Need a little Christmas now. Call out the holly. Haven't I taught you well to live each living day? Fill up the stocking. But dear old Mom, it's 1 week past Thanksgiving Day now. For we need a little Christmas right this very minute. Candles in the window, carols at the spinet. Yes, we need a little Christmas right this very minute. It hasn't snowed a single flurry, but Santa dear, we're in a hurry. So climb down the chimney. It's been a long time since I felt that neighborly. Slice up the fruit cake. It's time we hung some tinsel on that babery bough. For we need a little music, need a little laughter, need a little singing, ringing through the rafter, and we need a little snappy, happy ever after. Need a little Christmas now. For we need a little music, need a little laughter, need a little singing, ringing through the rafter, and we need a little snappy, happy ever after. Need a little Christmas now. Need a little Christmas now.